Are you aware of the recent severe weather outbreak that rattled the Midwest? It was a series of violent tornadoes that left a trail of destruction and despair in their wake. It all started in Iowa, where the tornadoes first made their devastating appearance. Towns like Carbon, Prescott, and Greenfield bore the brunt of the destruction, their landscapes dramatically altered by the force of the tornadoes. But it wasn't just the land that was affected. Lives were disrupted, homes were damaged, and the power infrastructure took a serious hit, leaving many without electricity. In the midst of this chaos, one casualty was reported in Corning, a somber reminder of the destructive power of Mother Nature. It wasn't just Iowa that was affected, though. The storms also made their presence felt in parts of Illinois, Minnesota, and Wisconsin, further expanding the radius of their impact. Among the ruins, one image stood out. Wind turbines, those giants of renewable energy, were reduced to twisted metal by the sheer force of the winds, a testament to the intensity of the storms. As storm trackers raced to capture footage of the tornadoes, Greenfield emerged as a focal point of the destruction. The town suffered extensive damage, a stark reflection of the ferocity of the weather event. Unfortunately, the severe weather threat didn't end there. More storms were expected in the following days across the Great Lakes, plains, and southern regions. These storms posed risks of damaging winds, large hail, and even more tornadoes, a grim forecast for those already dealing with the aftermath of the initial outbreak. So, to recap, a series of violent tornadoes struck the Midwest, starting in Iowa and expanding to Illinois, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. They caused significant destruction, damaging homes, causing power outages, and even claiming a life in Corning. The storms also destroyed wind turbines and threatened to continue, with more severe weather expected in the Great Lakes, plains, and southern regions. As we reflect on these events, it's a stark reminder of the power of nature and the importance of being prepared for severe weather events. After all, understanding and respecting the force of nature is the first step in staying safe in its midst.